Hi, thanks for watching. Today I want to talk to you about infusing oil with basil. A lot of times people throw away all the stems and the flowers and the buds, and they use just the main leaves to make a pesto, but the flavor and the aroma in these buds is unbelievable. And to infuse an oil with it just gives you an extra ingredient in the kitchen. The process is simple. You wash basil and you dry it as good as you can. And for about every cup of basil stems and buds and leaves that you have, you use 1/4 of a cup of olive oil. And I recommend using your favorite olive oil. Use something that's really good and that'll be great on a pasta salad, or something where you're using the oil fresh and not cooking it. The pot goes on the heat next, where you kind of mash up the basil leaves and the stems with a wooden spoon and try to keep it at about 160 degrees with the lid on it for about 45 minutes. Then you're going to strain it. I strain mine through a mesh strainer. You can strain it through a coffee filter, but the coffee filter is going to absorb a lot of the oil and you're going to lose some. Let's face it, good ingredients are getting really expensive, so why not make your own and not waste anything? Sometimes infused oils will cost maybe 3 times as much as regular oil. This is a great way for professional chefs or home cooks to add an additional ingredient to their kitchen for free. If you like this video and you'd like to see me make more, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe. Go to chefnicky.com for more recipes. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and enjoy.